In this video, I'm going to show you how to renew your British passport online. So the first thing you want to do is you want to open up any web browser such as Google. You could do this both on a desktop or a mobile device. Personally, I recommend using a desktop or a laptop because it is just going to be a little bit easier. But anyways, you want to go to the official gov.uk website. And this is the most important part. Do not go to any other website that is not gov.uk. So again, it is gov.uk. That is the official website. So guys, do not go on any other website. This is the only website that is actually safe. So what you want to do is you want to go to the search bar and then look up renew passport just like so. And what's really good is that they give you a search bar that basically allows you to search for your issues and stuff like that. That's really good. And then over here, you guys are able to go ahead and select on this option that says renew or replace your adult passport. So please go ahead and select on that right over here. And then it is going to let you know all of the cost. So it is going to cost around £95 to renew or replace your passport if you apply online, or £107 if you fill in a paper form. You will need to be 16 years or older, or at least turning 16 in the next 3 weeks to get an adult passport. And there is a different process. So if you are under that age, you will need to do a separate process. So again, just keep that in mind. Anyways, you need to go ahead and read through this over here and make sure that you're good to go. But once you're 100% sure that you meet all these requirements and that you want to renew your passport, go ahead and select over here where it says next. And then over here, you guys are able to go ahead and actually begin the process. So you're going to need some documentation. So you're going to need your old passport, any valid passports you have from a different country, and you will need to send either a color photograph of every page or the physical passport. So again, this does take a little bit of time and there's more information and resources available. But the point is, the most important thing is to figure out where to actually go in the first place. And again, it is the gov.uk website. And then over here is the actual process to begin it. So it's going to ask you a bunch of questions and stuff like that. So be prepared to fill in the information and stuff like that. They're going to ask you for your address, your full name, etc. So if you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next tutorial.